up? It's Stacy back with another video, and thank you for joining Everyday Glamour with Stace. So if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you are a subscriber and not getting notified when my videos are uploaded, go ahead and hit that subscribe bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today I'm going to be talking about my first play box. So I subscribe to By Sephora, and this is my first box. I have not opened it yet. I did take the tape off just so it'd be easier to do this video. Wouldn't have to try fumbling with tape while I was doing that. But this is what the box looks like. It's just a black and white box. It has By Sephora, really cute black and white. And you open it and it says Love Tips, Tricks, and Beauty Hacks, Sephora Play. So this is what the box looks like in the inside. It is just a cardboard box, so it's not something that you would keep. Inside the box, it comes with just a little piece of paper with also your 50 beauty insider points. So how it works is if you go in Sephora and make a purchase during the month of February, you get 50 cards and they give you 50 points, and the points can be used toward gifts and purchases and things like that. Sorry guys, my earring came out. So it gives you 50 play points toward any kind of gifts and things like that. So if you make a purchase in the month of February and you take this little card into Sephora, they scan it and give you 50 play points. So this is just a really cute little newsletter. It looks like the Valentine's Day cards, just all the different things that you would kind of see on Valentine's Day cards. It looks cute. And then on the other end it says Feel the Love. This month we're celebrating the beauty loves we just can't live without. So it gives you just a little summary of everything that's in the box and some information about it, which I absolutely love. So just a quick side note, I did subscribe to Ipsy, and I received my first Ipsy bag for February, and it was okay. I'm not going to say I was overjoyed about it, but it was alright. So I'm going to do a video on my next one, the March bag, just to kind of let you guys know what I got and my thoughts on it. But it was okay. It was it was a lipstick in there that I really liked, but other than that, can't say that I was like ecstatic. So ooh, first things first, got one of my favorites. Anybody ever use this? The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Absolutely love it. This is just like a little trial version, but the good thing about this is that I can put it in my purse and just take it with me when I need to touch up my mascara or anything like this. So for this product, I'm not sure how much it costs the size, but I know the big one is like $20 something, so I'm okay with this. Something I like, I'm fine with. So that's the first product. Oh, let me just show you the little bag. So it comes in this little bag that says Feel the Love, so that is the theme for February, that February bag. This is what the bag looks like. It's just like a drawstring bag, so it's really cute. The next thing up is the Makeup Forever. I got a lipstick from Makeup Forever, and it is in the color Artist Rouge. So let's look at this. It's like a red, which I think is going to be a really pretty red. Wait a minute. Hold on, guys. Alright. So looks like, I don't know if it was rolled up all the way, but the lipstick is stuck. It's not as bright a red as I thought. You see it? So looks like it's broke. It's okay, I'll still use it, but it's actually not as bright of red as I thought it was going to be. When you look at the box, which I know is cardboard, you know, it's brighter red than what the actual lipstick is. So I can always use new lip color, so I'm not upset about that. I like lipstick. This is a firm peeling gel exfoliant, so it's supposed to visibly roll and lift, sweep away dead skin cells. So you massage it into the skin, and it's supposed to remove dead skin cells and help with complexion. So this is Peter Thomas Raw. It's a skincare product. So I'm not mad at that. I do have definitely a goal this year to improve my skin, so different things that I can kind of find that works with my skin, all about that. Here's another skincare product. It is the ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. So it is another mask. So I got 2 masks, which I'm okay with that, and I do like ginger and turmeric, so those are really great products for your body, so okay with that. And in each bag they send you a fragrance. So this is Amazing Grace by Philosophy. I have actually smelled this before and I really do like this. So yeah, it's a really fresh scent, really floral but fresh, so I'm excited about that. I'll put that in my little makeup bag, so if I need to freshen up when I'm out and about, I can do that. And last but not least, some gel gloss ultra brilliant. This is a really cute color. It is Sephora. It's called Perfect Nude, so it is a nude color, but I mean, you can't go wrong with nude, you know, colors. So I am excited about this. So overall, I got 2 lip products. I got the nude lip gloss. I got the Makeup Forever red, 2 skin products, the 2 masks, and then I got the Too Faced mascara and the Philosophy perfume and this cute bag. So overall, I can say that I'm pleased with my first Sephora bag. I had seen mixed reviews about whether people were you know, I guess happy with the Sephora bag, but overall my first bag, I can say thumbs up Sephora. I'm really enjoying it, and I will continue my membership, and if I decide to cancel it, I'll let you guys know. So probably I'll be coming at you guys each month to kind of tell you what I got in my bag. And if you are a subscriber to Sephora Play, please comment below, let me know how you like it and what you've got in your bags. They let you choose your profile, so you do choose your profile and they select items based off of your profile that they think you may like. So this, I guess, fits me, and I'm excited about it. I love mascara, so that's a huge thumbs up in my book. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or just want to let me know your thoughts about Sephora Play. Like this video if you like it, and also subscribe. Thanks guys, have a good day.